Hello and good afternoon. Today this is our group. I went to present the food service in law. First thing first, to start, I want to intro our team. First name is Nurul Fazana binti Muhammad Zaidi, 18 DHR 24F 1052. Then my partner, member team, Nur Alia Syatun Adawiyah binti Fahmi Faizal, 18 DHR 24F 1051. Then Nur Aliyah binti Mak Saad, 18 DHR 24F 1076. Dan last our member team, Auni Damia Shah binti Muhammad Yusmi, 18 DHR 24F 1061. This is an example from fresh product, which is yogurt, milk, and the cocoa product, which is the brand farm fresh product. And then we went the most product out. Into introduction, food labeling provide important to consume about a product as an ingredient, nutrient value, and the manufacturer and the expire date. This is assessment the product choose is a farm fresh milk product by the farm fresh brand to customer confident to consume the farm fresh. Today I want to continue the question 1, logo on the food labeling. Halal logo, mystery logo, secure logo, and the name product ingredients. On the packaging, farm fresh milk and the several important the logo then they give confidence to consume. One, the halal logo, the JAKIM, Department of Islamic Development Malaysia, which show that the product has been certified halal and the safety for Muslim and the consume. Indicating logo halal food safety certified logo indicates the product completes food safety standard set by the mistake of the Healthy Malay, and they compile the quality any product. The next net volume. The net volume of information is clear text on the product packaging as a net value 200 ml or 1 liter. This is information important because this is inform the consumer about the actual quality. Then they compare the quality and the value of the product which other brand and before making the purchase.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia. So next, I will explain about ingredient on food labeling. So first is ingredient are listed for highest to lowest quantity. Main ingredient 100% fresh meat. Show the actual content of the product, usually not preservative and additive. Help consumer know what they are consuming. So for the ingredient on food labeling, according to the Food Regulation 1985, all ingredient must be listed in descending order based on the amount used in the product. For the example, in fresh meat, the main ingredient start on the label is fresh milk. This indicates that milk is the largest component in the product. This regulation is important in the food service industry because it ensures transparency and prevents misleading information. Consumer can clearly understand what they are consuming and avoid ingredients that may cause allergies or health concern. Okay, next is nutrition fact label. Show energy content, show protein, fat and carbohydrate, provide information about calcium content, help consumer understand nutritional value, and the last one is help consumer choose healthier food option. So the nutrition fact label provide important nutritional information such as energy, protein, fat and carbohydrate. Under the Food Regulation 1985, this information must be clearly displayed on the food packaging. For farm fresh milk, The nutrition fact help consumer understand the nutritional value of the product. In the hospitality industry, providing accurate nutrition information is important because it helps consumers make informed and healthier choice. It also ensured that food business follow legal requirements and maintain ethical practice in food labeling. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Na'aliyah binti Masaad. So I will continue this presentation from Alicia Tun. Alright, next is manufacturer or importer. The product label also provided information about the manufacturers for the purpose of consumer reference and transparency. For this product, the information state is manufacturer from Fresh Berhad and country of origin Malaysia. In addition, the company address is usually printed on the packaging so that consumer can easily identify the source of the product. Next, this information is important because it helps consumers know which company is responsible for producing and distributing the products. It also increases consumer confidence in the products because the manufacturers can be clearly identified. Furthermore, if there are any issues related to product quality, safety or defects, consumer can contact the manufacturer directly to make complaints, ask questions or seek future clarification. Therefore, including the manufacturer or importer detail on the product label is an essential part of product labeling. Next, for my part is expiration dates. The expiration dates of the product is clearly stated on the packaging using terms such as best before or used by. For example, best before 19 January 2026. This information helps consumer knows the recommended time period in which the product should be consumed while it is still fresh and safe. The expiration date is very important because it ensures that consumers drink the milk before the state date to maintain food safety and product quality. Consuming product after the expiration dates may cause the milk to spoil, which can affect the taste, smell, and nutritional values. In some cases, expired milk may also pose health risks such as food poisoning or stomach discomfort. Therefore, clearly displaying the expired dates on the product packaging help the consumer make safe consumption decisions, avoid potential health risks. That's all for me. So I will pass this presentation for the next presenter, Auni.
Hi, my name is Auni Damarsha and my metric number is 18-DR24F1061. Now I will continue for this slide. So for this part is explain about description on food labeling. Description on food labeling show basic information about the product. First is the product name, for example Farm Fresh milk, which shows the brand and the product. So the next is the flavors such as chocolate, strawberry or original. Then we have the product type, for example pasteurized fresh milk, which explains the type of milk. So there are also special claims like 100% fresh milk or high in calcium that highlight the benefit of the product. So these descriptions help consumers understand the product before they decide to buy it. So next is packaging material. For packaging material, food and beverage products can use different types such as PET plastic bottles, aluminium cans, or Tetra Pak cartons. These packaging materials help protect the product from light, air, and contamination. For example, Tetra Pak cartons have multiple layers that help keep the product fresh for a longer time. Besides that, the packaging must also be safe for food contact so it will not affect the quality for safety of the product. Therefore, proper packaging is important to make sure the product remains safe and in good condition for consumers. So for the conclusion, food labeling is important because it helps consumers know the quality and safety of a product before buying it. For this product, Farm Fresh milk, the labeling is clear and complete It provides important information for consumers so they can understand the product and make a better choice when purchasing it. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.